Good afternoon. Welcome to this edition of Newman's Own Travel Adventures. The tropical storm is hitting us right now. I know it doesn't compare to the hurricane that hit Florida. God bless to those family and friends that are down there going through a rebuild, repair, fixing up their homes and lives after that devastation. Hopefully it won't be as bad for us. The wind is kicking up, rain's coming down. This is Winston-Salem, North Carolina. It's blowing through pretty hard. As you can see, there's still quite a bit of cars out on the road. Roads are partially flooded, but the rain is still coming down pretty hard. You can see there's debris and tree branches in the road. So we are weathering the storm. Never thought, after moving from Florida 4 years ago, I would have an issue with a hurricane or remnants of a hurricane. The first year we moved here in 2018, we did get hit with a hurricane that came in off the coast of Wilmington. So that was pretty crazy. But we really haven't had anything since. So good 3.5 years, and now we have this torrential downpour. The winds, the news just stated they have some wind gusts of 50 miles an hour. And the rains are coming down pretty bad. So stay tuned and we'll give you some more information a little bit later, and away we go.